Hey folks, Alex here, 95 to Freedom. In today's video, I want to give an update on what's going on in the market, how my portfolio is holding up to this recent sell-off that we had this week. And yeah, I'm really just at camp right now, enjoying a little bit of time with the family. Wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on. So let's hop into it. Trying to make this brief so I can get back to camping. Now, tomorrow's going to be a big decision because tomorrow the Fed's going to speak up about any type of rate cuts, if that's going to happen or not. Now, it sounds like there's very low optimism, and that's probably what contributed to some more sell-off that we had today. Now, all of my money finally moved over to Robinhood. So if you guys are new here, I started out with Fidelity. I had all of my accounts set up with them. And then recently, I decided to move everything over to Robinhood. Now today, we'll just show you here, I was down 0.82%, $2,000. And it looks like aftermarket, the sell-off is continuing. Now let's talk about some of the positions that I have and just give you an idea what that looks like. All right, so, well, actually, I will do that right over here. Actually, yeah, we'll just do it in the legend. Okay, so these are my positions, folks. My largest position is NXDTE, and I have 2,100 shares. As you can see, another pullback on that. QDT, I'm up to 2,500 shares on this one. Maggie, 1,200 shares. This one's been hurting a lot. Magnificent 7. All of the tech stocks, as you can see, I'm down 4% overall on this one. I have over 1,200 shares in that. YBTC, another one that's been a pain point with the recent decline in Bitcoin. QQQI, SPY, as you can see those positions as well. They're, again, 2.5, 1.4 down overall. And this one's been hurting me too. I only have 125 shares from Who. This is a round hill play on Robinhood. And this one I'm down 8% overall. We had a major sell-off on the Hood stock. BTCI, very similar to YBTC. Again, we're down with the price of Bitcoin right now, I think 113,000 or so. And then some of my smaller positions here, EGGY, I got GPIQ, Chat, SMCI. Now, the other thing I did the other day is I actually bought some shares of Tesla. On the dip, I bought some shares of NVIDIA, AMD, and Palantir. Let's take a look at Ulti, folks. Ulti, I have still 100 shares of Ulti, and that is continued to go down. Now, today's ex-dividend for a lot of these tickers here, and tomorrow is going to be dividend day. So that's going to be interesting to see. Let's take a look at XDT, for example, on the tracker here. We'll just see how it's recovering its dividend. I apologize, my internet's a little bit slow. Okay, we'll just go back to, maybe we'll just look at it on here on Robinhood app. Okay, as you can see here, we started out the day floating around, let's see here, 43.64, and we finished up, let's see, at the close, we were right at 43.48, so not too bad. I mean, we do have a small pullback. We'll take a look at the 1 week chart. Again, you know, XDTE, it's one of the largest positions that I have. Part of the reason is that it seems to hold its NAV pretty decently. It has a nice dividend of over 30%. But you can see this 1 week decline here, folks. We're down overall this week 1.72%. So we'll see tomorrow how these dividends are going to help us out in our account. As you can see, this is the money that I have right now, $243,000, 767. Now that is just my own money, okay? So we are using margin on this account. And as you can see here, my total available margin is $426,000. and I'm using right now $165,000 of that margin. So moral to the story is we'll see what tomorrow brings. If the news are going to be bad again, I can see some more sell-off. Now, I think one nice thing about having available margin is I'm continuing to do a little bit of purchasing and trying to DCA down on a lot of these positions. We'll take a look at the buffer. You see my maintenance requirement is $103,000, and I'm $141,000 above the maintenance requirement. So I have a very nice cushion. One thing that's nice about Robinhood is the 5.25% if you have over $100,000 on margin. That is very low. You're not find any broker who gives you this. I started out with Fidelity. My interest rate was 12%, negotiated to 6.375. I know a lot of people are struggling to negotiate that. So I don't know, for me, I'm really enjoying this platform on Robinhood. It's so easy to use. It's really, really neat. I'm loving this this screen here. I can view all my positions. If I want to do any type of trading, I have this. I can customize all of these positions. It's really nice layout. So overall, moral of the story for today, again, another red day. Nobody likes to see red in their account, and but you know, things will turn around. I think there's optimism. Hopefully, once we get into September, things will kind of cool down from all this summer craziness that we had, especially with the tariffs and stuff. But yeah, this is how we're wrapping up the day today. S&P 500 down 0.4%, Dow down 0.3%, Nasdaq down 0.34%, and Russell and gold were slightly up today. All right, so that's what I wanted to cover. One thing that I will be making a separate video on some of these positions that I got recently, which is eggs and eggy. I know you guys wanted me to review those, so I'll be working on that once I get back to, I think, home base. But tomorrow I'll do a video on the dividends that I received, so make sure you watch out for that. And yeah, thanks for all the new subscribers. Appreciate everybody engaging in the conversation. Really what we're trying to do here is achieve that freedom from our 9 to 5, right? So we're going to use these dividend ETFs. We're going to use margin. We're going to use these low interest rates that will make that possible. So if you like this kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe and watch out for my other videos. So that's, I think we're going to wrap it up on that. I got to get back and making a little campfire. Hope everybody enjoys their evening. Take care.